Alright folks, this is a Ford Fusion 2013 with a 2.0. Let's take a look how easy it's going to be to change the spark plug on those bad boy. Look at that. Well, at least this one don't have an engine cover. I'm not sure if the factory has one, but there's a used car. And look at that. Everything's right in the front. 4 of them. Very, very easy. Let's take this one over here. We're going to do this one. Alright, it's a little tab here. Squeeze that little tab in. And this comes out. Put it out to the side. Then you need a socket, which is going to be a 8mm. 8mm. You're going to spin this little bolt off. Take it all the way out. Put it on the side, somewhere that's not going to fall in the engine. And here's the coil. Just give it a little twist to break the boot off a little bit. There you go. It comes right out. Look at that. Nice and clean. All right. You see any burnt marks over here? You got to change it. All right. Any signs of heat? Got to change it. All right. Looks good. Put that off to the side. Get your little trusty spark plug remover. Stick it in there. Get your little ratchet. You're going to ratchet away. Okay. I'm going to spin it off. Spark plug is going to come out just like that. These are Party Iridium spark plugs. Hang on a second, I'll put you down for a second so I can use my other hand. Yeah, most likely these are Iridium spark plugs, so you don't have to gap them. Yeah, spin it till the spark plugs are ready to come out. There she goes. All right. There you go. Yep, Iridium spark plugs. You can tell by the little center electrode is really, really small. Pull them out. Oh, mamma mia, this engine's hot. All right. That's the brand that's in there. Looks like the original ones. Coil. I guess short for Motorcraft. But it's a AYFS32YR. For Coil. There it is. For Coil. It's original Ford ones. Alright, so it's time for a spark plug change. You can see that it has a little burnt marks on the porcelain. You see it? So, alright, off to the store. Change them, reverse them the same way, alright? Iridium spark plugs, they don't need to be gapped. But when they come from the store, you do want to see that it does have a gap. Alright, always just make sure it has a gap. Because during shipment, things bounce around. And you never know, the gap might be smaller than it's supposed to. Alright, so put it back is the reverse way. Put them right in there. Tighten them down. You can use torque specs if you want to look up the torque specs. Otherwise, you could use the old German specs. Good and tight. Make them good and tight. Alright, and then the reversal would be that. Put this back in. Nice and easy. Alright, there's some petroleum that you can put on there for the boot. Makes it nice and easier. You can buy that at the store. Right, this goes back in your 8mm bolt, and then snap on your little clip, and you're good to go. And then you do it for the other 3. All right, pretty simple. All right, ciao.